Okay, this is the perch dissection. And so we're doing the fish and the dogfish shark together just because they are both aquatic creatures. One has like a cartilage skeleton and the perch has a bony skeleton. But perch are vertebrates. They are ray-finned fishes. Very, very large group of fish. So some characteristics, the fins that provide forward movement for propulsion. We have the vertebrae as a backbone, it's a spinal column, the gills for respiration, and it does live its entire life in the water. So exterior portion of your fish, dorsal fin, back here, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, anal fin, caudal fin. A little bit close up on the dorsal fin. It is very spiny. Can poke you. Oh, come on, buddy. Close up on the caudal fin and the anal fin. Here we have our paired pectoral and pelvic fins. Mouth. Eyes, no eyelids. Nostrils. Okay, here's the lateral line. You can see it right here. Sensory structure, can detect movement in water. The upper column, I'll just go back. Bony flap that protects the gills, and it helps to pump water through. So close up of that. Cloaca down here, opening for urogenital and digestive systems. And close up of that. We have our scales. Okay, so you would rinse your specimen because it stinks. And you're going to make a incision, box-like incision, cut it open, and you'll see if you have a female gonad. Right above it is the swim bladder. They can adjust this to increase or decrease buoyancy. Sharks do not have that ability. So here we have two females at the top, and then if you had a male, this would be the testes. It is obviously very difficult to distinguish just because they look very, very similar to each other. All right, so if you see a single gonad, that's female ovary. Paired gonads are testes. Very disgusting picture in my personal opinion. They do practice external fertilization, so the females will lay their eggs and the male will spread its gametes over them. Okay, so you would remove the gonads, so you get a better look on the inside of your perch. And then underneath it, you'll see gills up here, the heart. So you're going to make another incision to expose that so you can see the gills in the heart. So there's the gills right here. There's the heart down there. Okay, so gills, heart, here's the liver. I already pointed out the heart. Okay, so we have the atrium, and then this would be the ventricles. The atrium sits on the top, the ventricle sits on the bottom. Here we have the pleuric ceca for food storage and digestion. Right down here, these two structures. This top structure is the stomach. This is the spleen. And then here's the intestine. So another diagram just showing upper stuff: liver, heart, gills. Take a look at another fish here, see if we can identify. There's the eyes. Okay, so heart, right? Intestine. Oh, this one's ruptured. Poor guy. Got testes. There's the swim bladder that sits on top. The spleen is going to be dark in color with 2 liver lobes. One more specimen. Here we're going to leave the ovaries in. There's the intestine. There's the spleen, dark in color. Should be liver. Swim bladder sits on top. And then there's the stomach. One more specimen. Why not, right? So heart, intestine, liver, swim bladders up here. Testes. Yep. Okay, this time you might see the pancreas. Sometimes the pancreas doesn't survive the preservation stage. Okay. And that does it.